Holy moly, look at this. Hi guys, welcome back to Articulate. Today I will be looking at this 3D printed prototype of a Mark 85 in 1/6 scale, and this is an absolutely amazing looking figure. As you can see at the bottom here, it does have the Avengers logo together with the elevated base, and of course the better damage of this guy is looking pretty awesome. And also if you look at it closely, the infinity gauntlet, all the infinity gems are actually lighted up, and it does really shines. And in terms of paint scheme, this is very impressive. Look at that. The better damage I believe is very nicely done. For those of you who are waiting for the Hot Toys better damage Mark 85 Deck 1, you may need to wait for a couple of months, probably 6 to 12 months from now. And at the moment, the only 1/6 scale Mark 85 better damage that I have seen so far is this one, and this is in Resin format, and it's not on sale yet, but if I'm not mistaken, this is on pre-order. The paint here is very nice. Look at the gold color, the base, the light up gold areas are very nicely done. As you can see, almost you can feel like some kind of gold lava magma down there. And the close-up shot of the better damage. The arc reactor also very detailed. As you can see, the small arc reactor detailing is very nicely done. Here it is, one more shot of the infinity gauntlet, and here is the armor again. I do like the blue color shining through from the arc reactor, very nicely done. The hairpiece head sculpt is also absolutely stunning. One more look at the Mark 85 suit from Tony Stark. This is how it looks. Wider overall shot, and the base here, a little bit of a montage showing the Mark 85 suit. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Until then, Articulate signing off. See you guys next time.